This video is going to show you how to fit the Canon lens to the Canon camera. Now it may sound like a simple task, but if you don't do it right, it can actually damage either the lens or the actual camera itself. So first things first, this particular Canon camera requires an EF type lens. Make sure yours is compatible with what you're using, otherwise no matter how hard you try it won't fit. First things first is make sure you line the square up with the square. As you can see, there's a little square just here and a little square just there. Make sure that lines up. That lines up there, and then that square should go down to where the button is that releases the lens. So we rotate it down, hear it click. Now that's ready to go. To release the lens, it's just pushing the button in, move it back up. It will go where the square is, and then it's just releasing. Put a cover on the camera so it doesn't allow dust to touch the sensors, and that's as easy as that. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.